Today is market day. We are going to buy our cereals in new shop if you are in Thika. Welcome to our today's bunch cooking. With the economy that we are in, we need to do a bunch cooking, guys. So welcome to today's week. I normally soak my cereals during the night until midday. Then from there, I boil them. Meanwhile, as our cereals are boiling, let us now clean our freezer. Guys, how are you coping up with this life? Comment down below. Let's interact in the comment section. Time to clean our freezer. I had already have the leftovers. So guys, note better when putting your fresh cereals, ensure that the leftovers are in front of the fridge so that you can use them first before going to the fresh ones. When scrubbing the ice particles, ensure that you don't use sharp objects. Use that object that you bought it with your fridge. Guys, stay tuned to see what I normally use to clean my freezer and all my fridge. Guys, when washing your freezer or your fridge, the whole fridge, ensure that you wash on the edges. You have cockroaches, poo-poos that stays there when they poops. Our freezer is clean for food storage. Stay tuned, guys, to see how I store my cereals in the freezer. Guys, I normally store them in a half kg bowl because in whatever time I take one, I will never take it back to the freezer. Guys, use whatever you have to store your cereals in the freezer. There are those zip bags. You can also store in them. I use stickers to name them according to how I have packaged them. Guys, how do you package them and how do you name them? Let me know in the comment section. Comment down below. Guys, our freezer is fully packed, so we'll never go hungry with this economy, and I'll do more of them. Thank you guys for watching today's video. Remember to follow me on my Instagram. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe if not yet, press the notification bell. Bye guys, thank you. But a shop was built right across the street. It's there.